Howdy, folks. Welcome to a journey that stretches far beyond the open plains and into the vast, uncharted territories of the cosmos. Gather round and let me tell you a tale about the great cosmic frontier. Imagine sitting around a campfire, the crackling flames dancing in the cool night air, while above, the sky is a canvas of twinkling stars. We're talking about extraterrestrials, those mysterious visitors from parts unknown. The idea of life beyond our planet has always sparked our imagination, hasn't it? Just think about those shooting stars, each one a potential messenger from another world. Now, you might be thinking, extraterrestrials? In my galaxy? It sounds like something out of a science fiction novel. But the more we learn about the universe, the more we realize how little we actually know. Well, hold on to your hats, because the possibility is more real than you might think. Scientists have been searching the skies for signs of life for decades, using powerful telescopes and listening for signals from the stars. For as long as humans have looked up at the night sky, we've wondered if we're alone in this vast universe. The constellations tell stories of gods and heroes, but they also make us ponder our place in the cosmos. Are there other beings out there, looking back at us from across the cosmic expanse? It's a question that has inspired countless myths, legends, and scientific inquiries. It's a question that's haunted campfire stories and fueled countless science fiction novels. Around the campfire, under the vast night sky, it's easy to let your mind wander to the possibilities of what lies beyond. But the truth is, the search for extraterrestrial life is more than just a campfire tale. It's a serious scientific endeavor, with researchers dedicating their lives to uncovering the mysteries of the universe. It's a real scientific endeavor, and it's been going on for longer than you might realize. From the ancient astronomers who charted the stars to modern-day scientists using advanced technology, the quest to find life beyond Earth has been a long and fascinating journey. From ancient civilizations charting the stars to modern-day scientists searching for signals from distant galaxies, humanity has always been fascinated by the possibility of life beyond Earth. The ancient ruins and star charts tell us that this curiosity is as old as civilization itself. Humanity has always been fascinated by the possibility of life beyond Earth. And why not? The universe is a mighty big place, and it'd be downright egotistical to think we're the only ones here. Every time we look up at the stars, we are reminded of the endless possibilities that lie beyond our world. And why not? The universe is a mighty big place, and it'd be downright egotistical to think we're the only ones here. The Milky Way alone contains billions of stars, each potentially hosting planets with conditions suitable for life. So next time you find yourself under a starry sky, take a moment to ponder the great cosmic frontier and the mysteries it holds. Now, the search for extraterrestrial life ain't no newfangled idea. It's a quest that's been etched into the very fabric of human history, a curiosity that has spanned millennia. It's been around for centuries, passed down through generations like a well-worn saddle. Just as a saddle carries the marks of countless journeys, our quest for understanding the cosmos carries the imprints of countless minds. Ancient civilizations, from the Egyptians to the Mayans, looked up at the stars and saw signs of gods and goddesses, celestial beings that influenced their lives. They built monumental structures aligned with celestial bodies, believing these connections held the secrets of the universe. Fast forward a few thousand years, and we've traded in our stone tools for telescopes and radio dishes. Our methods have evolved, but the fundamental question remains the same. Are we alone in the universe? In the 20th century, scientists like Frank Drake and Carl Sagan pioneered the modern search for extraterrestrial intelligence, or SETI. They were driven by the same wonder that inspired ancient astronomers, but now armed with advanced technology. They used radio telescopes to listen for signals from distant civilizations, hoping to catch a whisper from across the cosmic void. Their work laid the foundation for ongoing efforts to understand our place in the cosmos, a quest that continues to this day with ever more sophisticated instruments and methods. Now let's talk about Earth for a minute. We like to think of ourselves as a pretty advanced civilization, right? We've got smartphones, self-driving cars, and we can send rockets into space. But in the grand scheme of the cosmos, we're just a bunch of greenhorns still learning the ropes. You see, the universe is a wild and woolly place, and Earth is kind of like the Wild West. We're a young planet full of energy and potential, but also prone to a bit of recklessness. We're quick on the draw when it comes to conflict and slow to learn from our mistakes. One of the things that makes Earth so darn interesting to extraterrestrial observers is our rapid technological advancement. In just a few short centuries, we've gone from horseback to rocket ships. We've split the atom, developed artificial intelligence, and even dipped our toes into the realm of genetic engineering. But here's the thing about technology. It's a double-edged sword. On the one hand, it's allowed us to make incredible strides in medicine, communication, and understanding the universe around us. But on the other hand, it's also given us the means to destroy ourselves and our planet many times over. Section 5, ET Phone Home, the search for signals from the great beyond. Now I know what you're thinking. If these extraterrestrials are so darn advanced, why haven't they made contact? Why haven't they landed on the White House lawn and introduced themselves? Well, there are a few possibilities. First off, the universe is a mighty big place. It's possible that there are other civilizations out there, but they're just too far away for us to detect their signals. Or maybe they're using technology that's so advanced it's beyond our current understanding. It's like trying to explain the internet to a tumbleweed. Section 6. Cosmic Cops. Why haven't they stopped us yet? Another possibility is that these extraterrestrial civilizations are watching us, observing our progress, or lack thereof, from a safe distance. Think of them as the cosmic equivalent of park rangers, keeping an eye on us rambunctious humans to make sure we don't destroy ourselves or the planet. And let's be honest, folks, we've given them plenty of reasons to be concerned. We've polluted our planet, waged wars over resources, and created weapons capable of unimaginable destruction. If they're watching us, they've probably got a whole file cabinet labeled Earth. Handle with caution. Section 7. The importance of keeping our Stetsons on straight. So, what does this all mean for us Earthlings? Well, for starters, it means we need to start acting like responsible members of the galactic community. We need to clean up our act, learn to live in peace with each other, and start taking better care of our planet. We need to remember that we're all in this together, not just as nations or even as a species, but as citizens of the cosmos. We've got a responsibility to preserve life on this planet and to ensure that humanity has a future among the stars. Section 8. Keep your eyes on the skies. The search for extraterrestrial life is one of the most profound endeavors in human history. For centuries, humans have looked up at the night sky, wondering if we are alone in the universe. This quest has driven scientists, philosophers, and dreamers alike to explore the cosmos, seeking answers to questions that have fascinated humanity since the dawn of time. It's a search for our place in the cosmos, a quest to understand if we're alone in this vast and mysterious universe. The sheer scale of the universe is mind-boggling, with billions of stars in our galaxy alone and countless galaxies beyond. Each star could potentially host planets, some of which might harbor life. And while we haven't found definitive proof of extraterrestrial life just yet, the search itself has taught us a great deal about ourselves and the planet we call home. Through this journey, we've developed new technologies, expanded our understanding of the universe, and deepened our appreciation for the delicate balance that sustains life on Earth. So the next time you find yourself under a clear night sky, take a moment to look up and ponder the possibilities. Are we alone? Consider the vastness of space and the countless stars that fill the sky. Each one is a potential beacon of life, a reminder of the infinite possibilities that lie beyond our world. Or are there other beings out there, gazing back at us across the cosmic abyss? Imagine civilizations far more advanced than ours, or perhaps just beginning their journey. The thought that we might not be alone is both humbling and exhilarating. The answer, my friends, is still out there, waiting to be discovered. Until then, keep your eyes on the skies and let your imagination soar among the stars.